Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 11 trigonometry, exercise 11.3. In that third question, the question is given: if tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Okay, this is the question. See, it's a solution now. What is the given data? Given tan 2a is equals to cot of a minus 18 degrees. Yes, where 2a is an acute angle. 2a is an acute angle. 2a is an acute angle. Acute angle means we know that it measures in between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, now between 0 and 90 degrees. Now we will have a formula. See here, T ratios of a complementary angles. We will have a formula, that is tan theta. Tan theta is equals to, that is cot of 90 minus theta. Yes or no? What is the formula? Tan theta is equals to cot of 90 minus theta. So you just consider ఈ 2a ని theta కన్సిడర్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న 2a ఉంది కదా, tan 2a, you consider 2a as theta. అప్పుడు ఇదేమవుతుంది? tan theta is equals to cot, ఇక్కడ ఇది cot of a minus 18 degrees ఉంది. సో ఈ పర్టికులర్గా ఈ tan 2a ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? tan 2a అంటే దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ tan theta. దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? యూ కెన్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ ఇట్ యాజ్ cot 90 minus theta. అంటే cot of 90 minus theta, అంటే theta ప్లేస్లో ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? 2a. ఓకే, సో tan 2a we can write it as cot 90 minus 2. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1. ఈ tan 2a ప్లేస్లో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు రైట్ cot 90 minus 2a హియర్. tan 2a అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తున్నా? cot 90 minus cot of 90 minus 2a is equals to this side what? Cot of already a minus 18 degrees is there. Is it clear? Now both sides cot ratio ni remove చేస్తున్నాం. We get here 90 degrees minus 2a is equals to a minus 18 degrees. Then what I am doing here, transposing the terms. The minus 2a is transposing to RHS side, and minus 18 is transposing to LHS side. This side 90 is there, 90 degrees. Ikkada unna minus 18 is transposing to LHS side, it becomes plus 18 degrees is equals to RHS side a is there. Minus 2a is transposing to RHS side, it becomes plus 2a. Now clearly 90 plus 18 degrees, 90 plus 18, that is 108 degrees is equals to a plus 2a, that is 3a. That meaning is the product of 3 and a. So 3 is transposed to RHS side. 108 degrees by into quantity becomes division quantity. Okay, is equals to a. Okay, na 3 transpose చేస్తే 108 by 3 into quantity becomes division. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18. So 336 are 108. Clearly we get a is equals to what? The value of a is equals to 36 degrees. Already given 2a is an acute angle. that is nothing but 2a is equals to, that is 2 into a means what? 36 degrees. 2 into 36 degrees means that is what now? 72 degrees. Okay, so 72 is acute angle only. It measures in between 0 and 90. In between 0 and 90. So this is the required answer for this question. Okay, now next one, question number 5. Question number 5 is given: if A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC. If A comma B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 is equals to cot of C by 2. Okay, so this is the given question, clearly given: if A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 is equals to cot C by 2. So this is the required RTP for us. I am writing the given data. Given A comma B comma C, A comma B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC. ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC means A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. This is what Nana? Angle sum property of a triangle. Okay na? These three are interior angles means what? The sum of the measure of three angles of a triangle, that is equals to 180 degrees. That is angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, now what I am doing, dividing each term. Okay na? On dividing the above equation both sides, this equation 1 అనుకుందాం, dividing equation 1 both sides, అంటే LHS side RHS side, both sides with 2 తోని డివైడ్ చేయాలి. Then that is nothing but A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equals to, that is 180 degrees by 2. Is it clear? ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ 1ని 2 తోటి డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. A by 2 సపరేట్గా, B by 2 C by 2 is equals to 180 degrees. సో క్లియర్లీ A ప్లస్ Bకి బ్రాకెట్ తీసేసుకుంటున్నాం బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఇక్కడ ఆర్టికల్లో tan ఆఫ్ A ప్లస్ B by 2 ఉంది. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ C by 2 is equals to 180 by 2. సో 2 1s are 2 90s are. Yes, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ కామన్ డినామినేటర్ is same, means we get LCM is same only, we just add the numerators, that is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2 is equals to, we get 90 degrees. Both sides sorry, first C by 2 ni RHS side transfer చేసాను, then we get here a plus b by 2 is equals to ఇక్కడ 90 degrees ఉంది. c plus c by 2 RHS side అయిపోతే it becomes minus c. ఇప్పుడు both sides tan ratio అప్లై చేద్దాం. apply tan ratio లేదా taking tan ratio both sides. why ఎందుకు తీసుకోవాలి tan రేషియోని ఎందుకు తీసుకోవాలి? మన ఆర్టికల్లో tan of a plus b by 2 ఉంది ఇక్కడ. సో అప్లైయింగ్ tan ratio both sides, that is tan of a plus b by 2 is equals to tan of 90 minus c by 2. Okay, I applied both sides of above equation की tan ratio అప్లై చేస్తాం. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫార్ములా చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒక ఫార్ములా యూజ్ అవుతుంది, దట్ ఈస్ tan of 90 minus theta. tan of 90 minus theta. ఈ c by 2ని కంప్లీట్గా theta అనుకోండి, ఓకేనా? యూ టేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ theta. tan of 90 minus c by 2 means that is tan of 90 minus theta, that is equals to, you can write it as cot theta, okay na? Tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. So this is the formula. As usually, therefore tan of a plus b by 2 is equals to tan of 90 minus c by 2. దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? tan 90 minus theta అంటే cot theta, that is cot theta అంటే theta plus 11 ఇక్కడ c by 2. So this is the required answer. tan of a plus b by 2 is equals to cot c by 2. Hence proved. Okay, so this is the required answer for this question. Now see one more question in this main. That is express sin 75 degrees plus cot 65 degrees. Express sin 75 degrees. Question number 6. Express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. Cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Okay students, so this is the question. Express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So this is the question. What is the given data? Given sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. Sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. Then what I am taking individually, first of all, sin 75 degrees. You can express it as then ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? sin 75 degrees means ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒక ఫార్ములా ఉంది, ఏంటది? sin theta is equals to you can express it as cos 90 minus theta. Is that no? Sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. So then what I am writing here, sin 75 means that is sin 90 minus, that is 15 degrees per IH. Okay, no? Sin 75 means we can express it as sin 90 minus 15 degrees. ఇక్కడ మనకి యూస్ఫుల్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. ఓకేనా? sin 90 minus theta is equals to that is cos theta. ఇక్కడ sin 90 minus theta 90 minus 15 అంటే దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? sin 90 minus 15 degrees means cos theta, that is theta plus 15 degrees. Okay, so sin 75 we can express it as cos 50, and as well as we take cos 65 degrees, that is equals to cos of 65 degrees means what? That is 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. Okay, no? 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. Here also, which formula is useful for us? Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. ఇక్కడ cos 90 minus 25 అనేది ఈ ఫార్ములా ఉంది. దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? sin theta గా రాయొచ్చు. So that is sin of theta means that is 25 degrees. So therefore we can express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? That is equals to cos 15 degrees plus sin 25 degrees. Okay, now so this is the required answer for this question. We can express this one like this. Okay, then we down to us cos 15 degrees plus sin 25 degrees. So this is the required answer for this question. Okay students, thank you.